I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you have. Open Device Manager or System Information and note the exact Nvidia GPU and your Windows version. Once done, create a system restore point and save any open work so you can roll back if needed. Make sure to stop heavy apps and disable overclocking profiles because installers can fail with active GPU tuning. This reduces variables and prevents corrupted settings during the driver update. You now download the correct package. Open GeForce Experience for automatic selection or manually pick the driver that matches your GPU and Windows build. Once downloaded, choose the driver type, Game Ready for gaming, Studio for content creation, and begin the installer. When prompted, choose Custom Install and check Clean Install to remove old driver remnants. This prevents conflicts. Follow the on-screen prompts. Let the installer run through DCH. You finish by verifying success. Open Nvidia Control Panel or Device Manager to confirm the new driver version and test a game or GPU benchmark. If you see artifacts, black screen, or crashes, reboot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to fully remove drivers, then reinstall the correct package. This fixes corrupted installs. Make sure to keep the installer you downloaded in case you must roll back, and update GeForce Experience afterward to handle future driver updates smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.